Hello mathletes, welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function context and the data modeling. Let's solve it together. An organization tracks the number of attendees at its annual conference over several years. Which model fits the historical data? T years 0 through 4, and the attendees are 150, 225, 337.5, 546.25, and 759.37. So to solve this kind of questions, I'm going to suggest you to just use the given data. When you substitute 0 for t, so 75 times 0, 1, this will becomes 150. And so what we're looking for when is actually 150. So A still is an option. So this is 150 as well, because 1.5 to the power of 0 is 1. To the power of 0 is also 150, yes. But 225 times 0 is 0. So D will be eliminated. So for the choice D, for the second option, T value, we are going to substitute 1 for the T. So in that case, we have 150 plus 25 gives you 225. The choice B, 1.5 to the power of 1, which is 1.5. When you multiply by 150, that's going to give you 225, because it's one whole, and half of the 150 is 75. When you add it, it's still 225. In the choice C, when I substitute 1, to the power of 1 is 2. 2 times 150 is 300. So this is not an option. And let's go ahead and substitute the now value of 2 for the T. For choice A, when you substitute 175 times 2 is 150. 150 plus 150 gives you 300, which is not the option. Because of that, you can say just go ahead. And the answer is actually B. But, or if you will substitute it in here, this is 150 times 1.5 to the power of 2 gives you 2.25. When you multiply this, you'll end up at 337.5, which is exactly what we're looking for the value of 2. So because of that, the correct choice is choice B for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye.